Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to do a tornado kick. This is how it's going to look. And my feet is good. Just like that. So the steps are, is you're going to face this way or this way, whichever one's comfortable for you. I like to wind up with my leg that's facing in the direction that I'm going to step in. You could start with 2 feet and just turn into it, or you can wind up with your leg. So you're going to wind up, take that first foot, make sure it's pointing that direction forward. Then you're going to turn this opposite leg, just like this. You're going to turn over your shoulder. Then you're going to chamber with that leg. You're going to turn. Then you're going to chamber with your other one. Then you're going to kick. And that's when you're going to land, try to land facing forward in the opposite direction that you're facing. I'm going to show you again in the slower version. Wind up your leg. I'm going to point, step, come over with the other leg, look, chamber, jump, chamber with the other leg, kick, put my leg down. I'm going to show you going this way. So you can see my chamber, step, look, up, kick, going back. That's how our tornado kick looks like. See you guys in the next one.